Hi, 2000 Deals here. Today is March 21st, 2021. Today the Wisconsin Badgers lost to Baylor in the NCAA Championship Basketball Tournament. So I now have some free time and I decided to make a small video showing how to set the time and chime on the clock. When you unpackage this clock, make sure that the pendulum is in its proper sequence and does spin freely. It may get joggled during shipping. You just can never tell. Secondly, set the clock to a time, preferably the time of day you're at, where you're located. Then insert batteries into the clock. Make sure they make solid contact and use fresh batteries. Now that the clock is running and you made sure the switch is on underneath, what we need to do is turn the hour hand backwards past 11. Then back to center. The chime will start. Alright, so that was 8 chimes. So we need to do it again. Turn the hour hand backwards past 11. Chime kicks in. Center it straight up again. Nine for 9 a.m. or p.m. depending upon where we set it. So that's the way we have to set the chime to match the number on the clock face. Every time you turn it backwards past the 11, it will add a chime to whatever the previous chime was. So if it rang 8 times, you turn it back, it will add 1 and make it 9. So that's the easiest way to set your clock. So again, make sure you put fresh batteries in it, and the clock should be good to go for a year or more. So any questions, don't hesitate to give us a shout. Other than that, thank you for your purchase, and 2000 Deals out.